Here we have a small ruin in Santa Domenica, Talao, just off the main street via Manzini. This is a stone building built at least 250 years ago. This is the basement part of the building, and if we just spin around here, we can see the full structure. Please note the stone walls, and we'll be trying to reveal as much of that stone as possible during the renovation. The window there will be part of the bedroom, and if we go up, this is the main entry into the property. In the main entry, we have what will become the main living area. We will be removing this wall to create a larger space. Obviously, that roof needs to go, and above there will be a roof terrace with sea views. To access the terrace, there'll be a spiral staircase running along this wall. Moving along, we enter into a separate kitchen area. The lowest part of the roof here will be higher to 2.7 meters high. Although currently we have a balcony here, we intend to enclose the balcony to create more internal space for the kitchen. Here you get a glimpse of the sea view. To access the basement part of the property, we have internal stairs. And this downstairs will give a large bathroom and the main bedroom. The bedroom will be accessed by punching through that wall there. So there we have it, the ruin in Santa Domenica, Talao.